This is a John Deere 4850. The price on this one is it's $17,500. That's the man that's selling it. Say hi. Like I said, it's a John Deere. It's been a good workhorse. Hi, my grandson says hi. He's waving. Well, he was waving. What?
Daddy's truck in the barn.
Yeah, Daddy's truck is in the barn. The truck. Let me see if I can wiggle through here. Maybe not. Tires. I'll go around the other side. Oh, we got hay for sale too.
Yeah.
How much is the hay, Dad?
$35.
$35 a round bale.
Square bale, $6.
Square bale, $6. That's all the square bales we have too. And they're $6 a bale. Yeah, I'm gonna go out there and get all that.
You got all that ready?
Not yet, I'm gonna do videos of it. Anyway, sorry about that, y'all. The engine.